Welcome to KB Autotech and Adventure. In today's video, we're out on the trails in beautiful British Columbia. It's spring right now and the forest is beautiful and green. We have a destination in mind, but the journey that gets us there is basically what drives us. Along for today's adventure is Creo in his white 3rd Gen 4Runner, and my new friend Gary. He's a fellow content creator and he has a channel called G from BC, so check him out as well.
It's just so awesome here. BC is just so beautiful, especially this time of year. You know, some people hate it because it just rains continually, but that's essentially what makes it so beautiful and green here is just all the rain. So, I mean, just take a look around. All right, first few obstacles, that's pretty good. Some neat little trails around here, so we're just gonna do a little bit of exploring around. Not really sure where we're going, but I guess that's half the point anyway. So let's see what else we got going on here.
Yeah, if you can come up this way a little bit. Yeah, dead straight, don't turn yet. There we go, you got it.
That was all for nothing. It's a dead end. So we're basically got through the rock and we're just gonna turn ourselves around here and make our way back through that rock. Okay, this is serious business. You cannot go out on the trails without trying to take at least one poser shot, okay? So anyways, we found the spot, we got it going on. Let's check it out. There we go. We got G. He's up, he's on the log. There we go. Wheels looking pretty tucked up in there. It's looking good. Got my 4Runner. There we go. All the way under. Looking pretty good as well. And then Creo, we got Creo over here. Let's see, he's got the rear flex going on here, so let's check his out. He's got his rear stuff pretty good up in there. It's up in there. It's not a bad shot. So anyways, oh, there we go. There we go. It's up. Anyways, let's keep going. On to some more adventures. Let's go. All right, so we made it to the spot. We're gonna try and venture down. Looks like a pretty large water hole at the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna ease into it slowly and just sort of see if see what it's gonna get into. So anyways, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're cutting it way too tight, man. But whatever, it's all good. You got it now. Let's go. It's gonna pivot you, yeah. Try and stay a bit wide. Yeah, keep coming straight. Yeah, and then turn in. Look at the size of this thing. Creel, stop right there for a sec. Okay, so we got the width of the 4Runner here, and then look at the width of this tree. And this thing is sick.
Same size?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, that tree is so cool, man. Unbelievably awesome. There we go. This zone is sick. We did this in another video. I'll probably link it up in the description. You can see us come through here. We're gonna go through a different exit though, but this zone is awesome. So there we go. We got the rack down there. You can see my new Prinzier rack on there, looking all fresh and clean up on top there. You can see we get these branches out of the way. They're keeping the shot here. So there we go. Look at that. Looking good. Looking good. A new trail that we haven't tried out before. Linked us up to another trail that we do know. So anyways, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thought it was a little bit sketchy for a moment there, but super fun, pretty technical. A lot of, you know, weaving in and out of stuff. So that was awesome, man. That was really good. G-Man, what do you think?
Pretty good, man.
That's fun. It's pretty technical, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I like it. Cause you know, we're going in and out of stuff. You're driving, right? Like,
yeah,
I don't know. It's not just like foot through the floor, but
I've never been in this area, so it only makes sense, man.
yeah, it's a good time. Yeah, for sure. So that would have taken, you know, where that would have led obviously. So, but yeah. So what we're gonna do, what we're gonna end up by doing here is we are gonna go. We're gonna do another climb.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb up to the top. I'm gonna check my map. We're gonna peep the details, and there's a lookout up there that we're gonna try and head up to.
Okay.
We'll try and hit this lookout here, and probably have fire. Apparently there's a waterfall on the way. Probably grab some pictures there, but yeah.
Cool. It up. Cool.
Let's do it. While we're on our way, we're trying to find a new spot. Apparently there's a lookout up this trail here that we're headed, so we're kind of not, I wouldn't say lost, but we're definitely don't know exactly where we're going. I see a little side trail there, and I am not sure, but anyways, we're gonna keep looking around here. Apparently there's a lookout, waterfall, and we're gonna go from there. Well, needless to say, this one's grown in just a little bit to where we are headed, so trees are all wet. We gotta run the wipers even just in the bushes. pretty suspect trail where we're heading. Not really sure if this is going to be even remotely close to where we're going, but all I got to say is I really hope we don't have to turn around here, that's for sure. It's not. Oh boy, here we go, here we go. All right, well, let's keep this going here. I better focus on some driving here. Well, we actually made it to somewhere useful. we were coming up that trail. It was looking pretty sketchy. We weren't really sure what we were going to find at the end, and we did find a pretty decent spot. So it's a ways up. We got a little bit of elevation. We got a little bit of a view. You can't really see it exactly from here, but yeah, we got a nice spot. So we're going to hang. We're going to have a fire, have some lunch, and yeah, check it out. All right, so made a little bit of lunch here. I got, let's see, let's have a quick look here. Gonna make a sandwich out of this. Some onions and peppers there. This is like a chicken turkey sausage. This is chicken sausage, I think. And we're gonna throw that in a bun, and we're just gonna eat that down. Well, I'm going off for a little hike in the woods here. G lost his drone in the woods. But the good news is we were able to locate it with my drone. We just weren't exactly sure exactly where it is. The problem is it is steep terrain here, so probably not ideal to be out wandering around in the woods, but it's not too far. I think it's maybe 100, 150 feet away from us. The boys haven't returned yet, so I'm gonna go out and give a quick yell and see if I can find them. All right, this is super sketchy. I'm trying to go find these guys. Everything's like slick and green, like you wouldn't believe. Oh my God. And it's steep over here, man. So steep. I'm trekking through the woods, man. I'm trying to find these guys. I don't even think they took their radios with them. I was trying to catch them on the radio. There's nothing there, but that's okay. I'm not going too far anyways. All right, let's go see. Yo, did you get the drone? Hopefully they found the drone at least. Maybe all this trekking around for nothing. We did find it with my drone, so we could see it laying there. We just weren't sure exactly where it was. So anyways, I went out in the woods, hiked around. I found the boys, found Creel, found G, and we found a pretty wild clearing. And there we go. So nice. And sure enough, look what is down there. That is the drone.
It's like a watch.
And we're on a cliff. And there's a big cliff like right over there.
Yeah, there's no way we're going.
There's G's drone.
Nice.
There it is. So I was trying to say, so no, we're not trying to copy story from till now. We did not purposely lose our drone. Or I should say G's drone. I don't know, he was flying around. I was making lunch. Next thing you know, I hear the thing beeping like crazy. And he's like, yeah, my drone went down. I was like, oh geez.
At least it was in a clearing, man. I'm sweating.
So G, did you get your workout for the day?
It's too much work for that.
G's out here sweating. He's all wet and muddy and
just for this. God,
but there you go, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
All right. But hey, it's a nice lookout. It's a nice day. I mean, it could be pouring rain.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
This is actually a pretty sick little spot. But oh man, you can't really see that. But look at those mountains back there. Camera probably doesn't really show it, but oh, looking so nice back there. Looking so nice. Right up in there too. I don't want to get too close to the cliff beside me, but right up there, some nice snow-capped mountains. Sweet.
Yo, honestly,
Good spot.
for this getting lost, it's a nice spot.
Well, that pretty much wraps it up for today. Thanks so much for watching. You know, we had a really fun time on the trails today. We found a really cool lookout spot. G lost and found his drone, so that is super cool that we were able to recover that in the same day and without wrecking anything. So anyways, consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.